Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's finally time that I reveal the winner of my giveaway. But I am doing a slight change in the giveaway, and I hope you guys won't mind it because there were 10 giveaway prizes and there was just one winner, and a lot of you guys were some of you guys reached me out saying that just divide this giveaway into a few portions so that a lot of people can win it. So I thought maybe yes, I would do that because that ways I will cater a lot of people and disappoint a bit less people maybe. Okay, so before I do that, I really want to thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart to be with me for the entire journey of my YouTube. I really, like, I was overwhelmed by the response that you guys gave me, and I just can't thank you enough for being wherever I am. Like, 1 year ago when I started my channel, I never thought that I would continue doing it. I was working, I had my home, I had then picked up YouTube as well. So it actually became overwhelming for me, and my body literally gave up on me. I started to had aches everywhere, and my migraine just went to another level. I got thyroid, which is now controlled. So there were a lot of problems that came in with a lot of stress as well. So finally now I'm not working, I'm doing YouTube and my family full time. Yeah, I would say that, my family and YouTube full time. So but you guys have been very supportive all this while. You guys have been watching my videos, which I like pathetic. So there are few announcements before I announce the winners. I'll be starting off two of the series. Like, I'm going to start two series. One would be how I make my videos. So I have been getting a lot of questions recently that what video editor I use. So usually I just mention it in the info box down below, but I will just answer few of the questions in this video, and then I am going for, like, I have thought of two series. One is going to be how I edit my videos and thumbnails and being YouTuber, and how to get all those things in place. If you are new or if you are trying to figure out things, I hope that would help. And the second one is going to be the beginner's makeup series. So it would involve the brushes that you need to have, how to apply concealer, how to actually just apply basic eyeshadows, how and where to contour, so all those things. And if you guys want to know anything specific in both these genres, just comment down below and I would really love to cater that. So yeah, that's the plan for now, and I really wanted to put up as much videos as I can for you guys. So just fingers crossed and let's hope for the best. Okay, so I have all the giveaway prizes right here with me. So the first thing okay, so the first thing that I am combining together are these two, the makeup remover and and the cotton pads. I'll mention all the winners down in the description box. Just check that out, who won what. So the first combo is this thing, the makeup remover and the cotton pads. Second combination is this, the soap, the GCC aloe vera soap for wrinkle free skin. So this is how it looks like. And this LA Girl glitter addict nail polish. So one of you is going to get this. The third thing is this Blue Heaven Artiso compact and the LA Teen eyeliner. Fourth thing is this jewelry piece and the Miss Claire soft matte lip cream. You guys know it already. And the last thing is this one, the In the Balm of Your Hand from the Balms. And the last one is this one, the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Avenue. I finally have it with me. So let me just open it and show you guys. And this is how it looks like. Gorgeous color, and I think it will complement almost every skin tone. So yeah, so there are now 1 2 3 4 5 6 prizes. So one person is going to get the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip, and one is going to get the balms In the Balm of Your Hand nude palette. Then one is going to get this, and one person is going to get this. Someone is going to get this, and this. all the names of the winners. The names of all the winners are in the description box. So congratulations to all the winners. And I know some of you guys would come up and say that this is not fair, but I just thought that maybe it is good if a lot of people get something rather than one person getting everything. I'm really sorry if I've disappointed you, but I am you guys know I just do giveaways all the time, and there is just one lined up already coming soon, like in a week or so. So just stay tuned for that, and I really hope that you guys would still love me and will not be mad at me, please. Okay. So yeah, congratulations to all the winners. And I love you guys a lot. Just be with me, stay with me the way you are, and just support me the way you are doing right now. I love you guys. I love you all so much. I never get time to thank you because I pre-shoot my videos, and then I just, like, I am always busy doing something. Like whenever I get time, I'm just editing my videos. I'm sorry if this video is getting a zillion years long, but I just wanted to talk to you guys through my heart that you guys mean a lot to me, and this is just a token of love from my heart to yours. And I hope that you will still continue love me and give me all the support that you are giving me so far. I know there are people who have been with me from day one to till date, and there have been people who have joined me recently, and they are so supportive. I just wanted to put this thing right away because I cannot thank all of you enough ever. So a big thank you to each and every one of you. I really love you guys a lot, and congratulations to all the winners. And those who did not win it this time, do not be disappointed. I have a skin18.com giveaway right on the way, so just stay tuned, be with me, and you will not be disappointed. Until then, thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.